We'll be using more of this chrome visor which they specially sent to us. So we try to fit it on. So this is the original visor which we're gonna fit in this before we go for our ride on the Y16, Yamaha Y16, which is also yellow color. So it will just be nice. The empty helmet is from Spain and it's designed to protect. So we're gonna rump it a little bit with the Y16. So this is empty helmet. So it's what we're gonna have for today, and it's ideal for wearing masks. When we ride, push the mechanism here, and the mechanism here, and the shield will pop out. So now we'll fit in. Like the rest of thing. Now just as you to push back in, you just push it in and just clip it and bring it down and close it, so it'll be locked. So okay, so let's take up. Alright, check this out. Pretty nice. Intake on top here also. So there's two air intake, the bottom shape. So it's a dot and ECE Thunder 3 jet from empty helmet. It's really tight fitting for M size helmet. So it comes with a quick release. So there's a night reflection liner, empty helmet paddings, which is quite comfortable. Try the comfortability when we ride the Y16. Alright, see you guys. See you later. Peace. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in this rear diffuser, which makes it much cooler. So let's see what it does.